exactly the same.
In which standard you have studied now?
Ninth.
Ninth. Okay. In which subject you have more interest?
Maths.
Maths. Okay. Can you tell me what are natural numbers?
Natural, the counting numbers are called natural numbers.
Please speak aloud.
Counting numbers are called natural numbers.
Okay. What are classification of natural numbers?
Even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, co-prime number, prime number, perfect number.
What are even numbers?
The number which can be exact divisible by 2 is known as even numbers.
Okay. 0 is even or odd?
So it is an even.
It is even number. And then tell me which is the smallest even number?
2.
2. Why? Because you told
Sir,
that.
because we consider 0 is not in the classification. 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number.
Okay, it's okay. What are the odd numbers?
The numbers which cannot be exact divisible by 2 is known as odd numbers.
What are properties of natural numbers of addition?
Sir,
What are addition? Yeah. What are the properties of addition of natural numbers?
So closure property, closure property, associative property, combinative property, and additive inverse, additive identity.
Okay. What are the closure property of addition of natural numbers?
The sum of two natural numbers is always a natural numbers.
Okay. What are commutative property of addition?
See, if we add two natural numbers in any order, we will get the result same.
Okay. What are the commutative property? You told me commutative property?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What are the commutative property of multiplication of natural numbers?
So if the product of two natural numbers is always, if the product of two natural numbers, we will solve the product of two natural numbers with any order. The result will be same.
Okay, like can you tell me any example?
So like we multiply the 3 into 5, it will get 15.
Yes.
But we can multiply 5 into 3, then we also get 15.
Very good. What are the distributive property of multiplication of natural numbers?
So R1 into R3 and plus R1 into R2.
Oh. Can you define some another way?
No, sir, sorry, sir.
It's okay, no problem. What are the composite numbers?
The numbers which have only more than two factors is known as composite numbers.
Smallest composite number?
Smallest composite number is 4.
What are prime numbers?
The numbers which have only two factors is known as prime numbers.
Smallest prime number?
Small prime 2.
Largest prime number?
Largest prime cannot define.
Very good. What are the HCF of 3 and 5?
HCF of 3 and 5.
Yeah, what is the HCF of 3 and 5?
So HCF of 3 and 5 is 1.
Very good. And can you tell me what is HCF of 2 or more numbers?
So highest common factor of any two numbers is known as HCF.
Okay.
Who is called father of geology?
Father of geology, Aristotle.
What we call the study of cell?
Cell. Sorry.
Who is the father of cytology?
That was Aristotle.
Can you please tell the points of cell theory?
Cell theory was given by Sladen Swan. He told that all the cells, all the living organisms are made of cells. And second point was that cell is a basic and structural unit of life. And one scientist also came in 1885. His name was Rudolf Virchow. He told that in Latin words, omnicellula is cellular, means all the new cells are made of pre-existing cells.
What is physical quantity?
Physical quantity, the quantity which can be measured is known as physical quantity.
What are two types of physical quantities?
Vector quantity and scalar quantity.
Can you please define them?
Vector quantity, the physical quantity in which we have magnitude and direction is known as vector quantity, and scalar quantity in which the physical quantity in which we have only magnitude but not direction is known as scalar quantity.
There are 7 fundamental quantities. Can you name them?
Sorry.
Okay. Can you give me the difference between scalar quantity and vector quantity?
Scalar quantity and vector quantity. Vector quantity can be negative, positive or 0. Scalar quantity will be always positive. And scalar quantity, in vector quantity we have displacement and in scalar quantity we have direction.
What are co-prime numbers?
Co-prime numbers, so the numbers which have the difference between 1.
Okay. And what are twin prime numbers?
The two prime numbers having the difference between 2 is known as twin prime numbers. So that's a 3 and 5.
What are perfect numbers?
So the numbers which sorry sir, I cannot recall.
Okay, now you are unable to recall. Okay, what is a factor of number?
Exact divisor of number is known as factor.
Very good. What is a fraction?
Fraction, the number which can be represented in the form of a and b, where a and b are whole number.
Very good. What are types of fractions?
Sorry sir.
What are like fractions?
Sorry sir.
No idea.
Sir, I am not written the copy.
What are the what is a point?
A point has no length, breadth and height.
It is the smallest.
Geometrical figure.
Yes. Then tell me what is a line segment?
Line segment, the straight path having two endpoints. That is called line segment.
What is a line?
The line segment which is extended indefinitely at both directions is known as line.
What are types of lines?
Lines can classify into straight line and curved line.
What are types of straight lines?
Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line.
What are concurrent lines?
Concurrent line, so if more than two lines intersect at a common point, that is called concurrent line.
What is a concurrent point?
Concurrent point, sir. So this is
Concurrent point, yeah.
so if more than two lines intersect at a common point, then it is called concurrent point.
Common point is known as the
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. What are collinear points?
If more than 2 points lie on the same line, then it is called collinear point.
What is a polygon?
Polygon, a simple closed figure having three sides or more than three sides is known as polygon.
What is the smallest polygon?
Triangle.
Can you define triangle?
Triangle, a simple closed figure bounded by three sides is known as triangle.
Types of cell?
Types of cell, prokaryotic, eukaryotic.
Difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell?
Prokaryotic cell and histoprotein is present in prokaryotic cells. Histoprotein is absent. 70th type of ribosomes are present. 80th type of ribosomes are present. Cell organ.
In which they are not.
I am telling first prokaryotic and then eukaryotic. And cellular respiration happens, and in this cellular respiration happens in mitochondria, and cell organs are absent. Cell organs are present.
Okay. Who did the discovery of living cell? What are cell organelles?
The parts present inside the cell is known as cell organelles.
Who discovered cell wall?
Cell wall discovered by Robert Hooke.
Who discovered cellulose?
Cellulose discovered. Sorry, I can't recall.
What is the function of cell wall?
Cell wall, it works as a security guard of cell, and it does not it throw the unwanted part through cells.
Can you give some examples of cell organelles?
Like mitochondria, vacuoles, nucleus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulums.
Okay. Can you define motion?
Motion, anything. If a body change the position respect to time, that is called motion.
Give the following important terms that help us to determine motion.
Distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, time.
What is the difference between distance and displacement?
Distance is the actual path of the object, and displacement is the shortest part of the object. Displacement can be negative, positive or zero, and distance can be only zero, and displacement is a vector quantity and scalar is a scalar quantity. Sorry, distance is a scalar quantity.
Yes. What is the difference between speed and velocity?
Speed and velocity. Rate of change of distance is called speed, and the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration.
I have not asked acceleration. Difference between speed and velocity.
Okay. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Okay. Speed can be positive only, and speed can be positive and velocity can be negative, positive, zero.
Okay. Can you tell me the types of speed?
Speed can be classified into 4 types: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed, instantaneous speed.
What are types of triangle?
Triangles can be classified into 3 types. Based on side, scalene, equilateral, isosceles, based on angle, acute angle triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle.
Okay. What are types of quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral can be classified into following types: parallelogram, rhombus, kite, square, rectangle, and trapezium.
What is a parallelogram?
The quadrilateral having two pair of parallel lines is called parallelogram.
What are the properties of parallelogram?
The mother property of the parallelogram is two pair of parallel lines. In and opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonal bisect each other.
Good. Also, what are types of parallelogram?
Types of parallelograms: rectangle and square and rhombus.
Okay. What is a rhombus?
Rhombus, so the parallelogram having all sides equal and all sides equal. Yes, sir. It's called rhombus.
Okay. What is trapezium?
Trapezium, sir. The quadrilateral having one pair parallel line and one pair of unparallel lines is known as trapezium.
What is a kite?
Kite, sir. The kites are sir, if the two adjacent sides are equal, the quadrilateral having two adjacent sides equal, it is called kite.
Very good. What is a square?
Square, sir. So the parallelogram having all sides equal and all angle measure equal to 90 degree.
Properties of square.
So properties are, sir, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other, and sir all sides are equal, and sir each angle is measured for 90 degree, and diagonal bisect at 90 degree.
What are the names of the polygon based on side?
Based on sides, sir, polygon, sir, triangle, sir, and quadrilateral, and sir triangle, quadrilateral, polygon. So triangle, quadrilateral, sir, pentagon, heptagon, hexagon, decagon, nonagon, octagon.
Okay.
Define acceleration.
Acceleration, rate of change of velocity per unit of time, that is called acceleration.
Acceleration is a which type of physical quantity?
It is a vector type of physical quantity.
Okay, can you please tell the types of acceleration?
Acceleration can be uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration.
Difference between DNA and RNA.
RNA. DNA is a double-strand structure, RNA is a single-strand structure. DNA has two ribose sugar present, RNA has one ribose sugar present. And in DNA, histone protein is absent, and in RNA, histone protein is present.
What is
What is a noun?
What is a noun? So noun is a name of person, place, thing.
What are kinds of noun?
Nouns 5 types are classified: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun.
What is your name?
My name is Aditya Singh.
Adit Singh is what? Which kind of noun?
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Very good. What are common nouns?
Common noun, the noun which expresses common place, person, thing. Name, person, place, thing.
What are collective nouns?
Collective noun, the noun which expresses groups is known as collective noun.
Tell me 5 examples of collective nouns.
Group of armies, group of soldiers,
No.
a bunch of grapes,
Yes.
bunch of apples, bouquet of flowers,
Hmm.
and sir, army of soldiers, and sir, group of robbers, and sir,
Class of
class of
students.
students.
What are abstract nouns?
Abstract noun, the noun which expresses feelings and ideas is known as abstract noun.
Tell me 5 examples of abstract nouns.
So happiness, sadness, happiness, sadness, and quickness, and you are not recording.
You should learn at least 25 collective nouns and 25 or 30 abstract nouns, right?
Yes.
What are material nouns?
The noun which expresses material is known as material noun.
Example.
Gold, metal, iron, jewelries, furnitures.
Okay. What is a pronoun?
The word which replaces the place of noun is known as pronoun.
Okay. What are kinds of pronouns?
So kinds of pronouns are personal noun, possessive noun, emphatic noun,
Kinds
distributive
of pronoun, not noun.
pronouns, sir.
Yes.
So the personal pronoun, emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and relative pronoun.
Okay. What are demonstrative pronouns?
The pronoun which are used to point out the sentence is a demonstrative pronoun.
Point out?
Word.
Point out what?
So point out the
Objects.
Objects.
Or anything you can
Yes,
say. Not sentence. Right? Can
Yes.
you tell me example wise? Can you tell me An example of demonstrative pronoun in sentence.
Sorry, sir, not funny.
That is my father. He is a boy. Sorry, that is a boy. That is a girl. That is a fan. This is a copy. These are all examples of the demonstrative pronoun. What are indefinite pronouns?
Indefinite pronouns are the pronoun in which we have three cases.
Indefinite pronoun.
Three
I asked
persons.
you. No, you are telling wrong.
Sorry, sir, not recording.
The pronoun that does not refers a specific, person, place, or thing.
Can you please tell the classification of plant tissue?
Plant tissue, mesenchymal tissue, and permanent tissue.
It is further classified, the whole classification of plant tissue.
Sorry.
What are the equations of motion?
Equation of motion. First, v is equal to u plus at. Second is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Second is 2as is equal to v square minus u square.
Okay. Can you please tell what is the types of triangle?
Types of triangle. So based on angle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, and based on side, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle.
What is the formula to find area of a parallelogram?
Parallelogram, 2 bracket L plus B.
Okay. What is the formula to find the area of a triangle?
Triangle, half into base into height.
Area of square?
Area square, side square.
What is the formula to find the diagonal of a cuboid?
Diagonal of cuboid. Sorry.
Diagonal of a cube?
Sorry.
Formula to find volume of a cube?
Volume of a cube, L into B into H.
Okay. What is the helping verb of past perfect tense?
Helping verb,
Past perfect tense.
Perfect tense, had.
Okay. What is the helping verb of past perfect continuous tense?
Past perfect continuous tense, had been.
Okay. What are the formula to find area of a rhombus?
Rhombus, half into D1 into D2.
Formula to find area of a trapezium?
Formula to find area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side into sum of non-parallel side.
Okay. Can you please tell what is a line?
Line, the line segment having the line segment extending at in both directions indefinitely is known as line.
What is a ratio?
Ratio. Sorry.
Can you please tell what are the types of polygon?
Types of polygon: concave polygon, convex polygon.
What is a concave polygon?
The polygon in which any angle of a polygon is more than 180 degrees.
What is a convex polygon?
It is a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degrees.
What is a regular polygon?
Regular polygon.
The other types of convex polygon.
Yes, I know. Regular polygon. In the polygon having equal sides and equal angles and equal vertices is known as regular polygon.
Irregular polygon.
The polygon having unequal sides, unequal angles and unequal vertices.
Area and perimeter of isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle, half b upon 4 under root 4 is square minus b square, and perimeter is 2a plus 2b.
Perimeter area and perimeter of scalene triangle.
Area and perimeter of scalene under root s, same perimeter, bracket open s minus a, bracket close s minus b, bracket close open s minus c, and perimeter is a plus b plus c.
The formula that you have told for the area of scalene triangle, it is also known as, it has a specific name of that formula.
No idea.
It is known as Heron's formula.
Heron's formula.
What is an area?
Area, the region inside the polygon is known as area.
What is a perimeter?
The sum of boundaries is known as perimeter.
Area and perimeter of equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangles, area under root 3 upon 4a square, and perimeter is sum of all sides.
What is a quadrilateral?
The simple closed figure having bounded by 4 sides is known as quadrilateral.
What is an isosceles triangle?
Triangle, isosceles triangle. Okay. The triangle having two sides equal and one side different.
What is an isosceles trapezium?
The trapezium having one parallel side equal.
What is the definition of kite?
The two adjacent sides are equal in the figure is known as kite.
What is an area? What is the formula to find area of a kite?
Half into d1 into d2.
What is an formula to find total surface area of a cube?
Total surface area of a cube. 2 bracket
आराम से
open,
बैठो, आराम से आंसर दो. What?
bracket open, L plus B, bracket plus B plus H plus H plus L.
Total surface area of a cube, not a cuboid.
Sorry, not recalling.
Okay, can you please tell the formula to find volume of a cylinder?
Volume of cylinder pi r square H.
What is the formula to find curved surface area of a cylinder?
2 pi r bracket open r plus H.
Okay. What is the formula to find diagonal of a square?
Diagonal of a square